Hi everyone. Today on Hello Susan, I want to share with you some ornaments that I made. Excuse me. I used the plastic ornaments that you fill, and they come in two halves, and I only used one half of that. Now I do have a video where I did something similar, and I'll link that video below because it's exactly the same steps. But I didn't turn on all my lights because I wanted you to kind of see how they are. I'm not too sure if it's going to be bright enough, but let me turn my light on real quick and see what happens. See, that gets a little bit brighter and you can see it a little bit better. The only thing is it's a ring light, so then it puts more light because these are so shiny that it picks up all the reflections. Okay, well, let's just go ahead and take one by one. This one right here, as you can see, is a half a dome. And I used cardstock to print my images, and then I sandwiched in between there. I got a cereal box so I could use the cardboard to make it stiffer. I used some GIMP ribbon to go around the edges to tie it up to make it look pretty. Now inside I have a brooch that I got off Temu. Actually, all these brooches that I have here I got off Temu. And then inside I put some glitter so that it would sparkle. And then on top I've got some little branches and some berries. And then a bow on the back. And then it's got a tie right here so you can hang it on your tree. I wish those lights weren't doing that. Let's see if I can get it up closer so you can see it better. Isn't that cute? I made this one for me. A lot of these I made for Christmas gifts for my family, but this one I made for me. Okay, let me move this out of the way over here. The second one is very special to me. As you can see, it's got a dangle. I used this half of this ornament and put the little hoop part at the bottom and then put a tie up here so it could hang, but that way I could add a dangle if I wanted to. And this is a little brooch that I got off Temu. But what this is so special is because my granddaughter is having her first baby in June, and so we're going to be celebrating the reveal at Christmas when we all get together, and it says Christmas Miracle. And I got a pattern from the 50s, 60s maybe, that had some red in it, and they're maternity tops. And then I've got a little glitter poinsettia and then some feathers coming out. And the back, I did glitter on the poinsettias. And then I did some more leaves and a poinsettia on the back. Isn't that cute? Let's see what happens if I get it up closer for you. Okay, well, you can see that good, right? Yeah. And then I did put glitter on the sign, and I put glitter on the bow. All right. We're so excited about that baby coming. Now this is a pear, and this is for my son and his girlfriend. Same thing. It's just they're all using that those plastic ornaments. This one I actually put a crystal prism on the bottom for a chandelier. And the top has a cardinal, and it's got a little boy. Oh, I keep trying to get away from that ring light, but it's just not going to. It's got a little boy putting the hat on a snowman, and I glittered up the snowman, and then this little brooch says Merry Christmas. And then I've got a little pick coming out here that I got from the wedding section at Hobby Lobby. You know how they have those pretty things? This is just a garland that I cut up. And then on the back, that's the little hanger. Put glitter on the leaves. Did a red bow. And this one has poinsettias that I put glitter on. Aren't they cute? I love them. Okay, now the one that I did matching because the toppers are matching. This is for his girlfriend, Bree. And my son's name is Cameron, if I didn't say that. So this one has a little girl, And I put glitter on her dress, and then that brooch is a snowflake. Got the same cardinal on the top with the same little pig and the garland. And then this is what the back looks like. Used a different trim right here. It's got gold in it. Then I put glitter all over the snowflakes, and it's got a white bow. I did the toppers the same so it could be a matching pair. Okay, let me set that over here. Now, for my daughter, Amber, she likes to do a tree with a lot of black. And look at this. I had an idea that I wanted to do something very foo-foo-y for her. Oh. Okay, you can see it all there. I'll get up close and just do bits. But I got a picture like of a Marie Antoinette, and she's at a dance, and so I did glitter all over her dress and then left everybody else plain. It's got gold around the edges, and then these are those picks from the wedding section at Hobby Lobby. I got this little brooch on Temu. It's black with rhinestones. Got these little feathers at Hobby Lobby. Doesn't it remind you of Bridgerton? Oh, and then I put a little bow back here, and then it's got a crystal prism. And then you turn it over, and it's just a floral print, but I did put glitter all over it, so it's sparkle. And then a little bitty rose right here with the black bow. And then this is the hanger right there. I think she's going to be excited about that. I'm excited about it. Let me get up closer so you can see the picture in the inside. It's got a little bit of lace right there to fill in. I'm real excited about that. So after I made hers, then I thought, well, you need one. So I made me one. And this is mine. Here, let me move this out of the way because that way you won't be fighting so much. So mine has a crystal prism too. And mine's a girl. And she's at a dance, but I put glitter all over her dress and her little crown in her hair. And of course blue is my favorite color, so I had to do blue for me. And then of course all these picks are from Hobby Lobby in the wedding section. And then tied bows. This brooch came from Temu. This came from Temu, this right here. Let me get up closer so you can see it. Isn't that fun? Okay, and then the back, oh, and this one has a butterfly. Did you notice that right there? I got that from Temu also. And then this is the hanger on this one. But I put the same other little, oh, there we go. You gotta think backwards when you're filming. So this is another one of those brooches I put on the back here. And then a bow. And then this one has glitter all over the paper where the flowers are, and I put another little butterfly right there. They blend in. They're just the perfect color to match, so it blends in so well. And then I put a feather on mine too. Isn't that fun? Okay, well, that's it for this video. I'm making some more ornaments, and I've got a composition notebook that I altered from Dollar Tree, and I've got another journal. And I've got some shaker cards I want to do, so I've got to get busy doing some more things. But thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this gives you some inspiration and some joy. See you next time. Bye-bye.